Initially, Rcare was recommended to me by a lot of friends who took their consultation from the same organization. Rcare helped a lot of my friends to come to Germany. So I had this trust built up with Rcare from initially. So I did not bother to search any agent, or I had a lot of trust issues with all the agents which were there in my city or the surrounding cities.
Friends, my name is Mani and welcome with Rcare. Today we have Ayush with us. Thank you so much, Ayush, for giving us time. And we are there in Magdeburg, and we are sitting in a cafeteria of Bibliothek and University of Magdeburg. And Ayush is studying here system engineering. He's doing masters over here, and he has a lot of experience which he was sharing before, related to his course, related to his journey over here, and we would be discussing his journey in India because he's from Chandigarh and he processed his application sitting from Chandigarh to Delhi. So we are there in Delhi. So my question to Ayush is, since you were there in Chandigarh and you were being referred by few students who are already studying in Germany, so those are the past students, right?
Right.
So what did you face any problem, because communicating is always a challenge with the consultant or with the counselor who are not there in your city? So did you face any problem?
Initially, Rcare was recommended to me by a lot of friends who took their consultation from the same organization. Rcare helped a lot of my friends to come to Germany. So I had this trust built up with Rcare from initially. So I did not bother to search any agent, or I had a lot of trust issues with all the agents which were there in my city or the surrounding cities. So instead of that, I chose Rcare, which was in Delhi. And the good thing about Rcare is they are always available over phone, and they are very answerable if you are facing any problem or you have any question that you want answers with. So that's why, and every question that I wanted to ask, Rcare had a solution for that. So that's the reason I chose an agent from Delhi instead of choosing it from my city itself.
And Ayush, since when you received an offer letter from Magdeburg, then there was a lot of problem which was being faced by the students related to their visa dates. So we generally do not, the students who are being referred by us or whom we processing the application, they don't face any problem related to visa. Did you face any problem related to visa, or you waited for the visa appointments?
The time that when I came to Magdeburg, the time period of COVID was over by then. So my visa process was pretty smooth. There was not a very long waiting line of people waiting for their visa appointments. I know that the people who wanted to come to Magdeburg or Germany before had to face a lot of problems because of COVID. There was a lot of pending requests, but in my time, I got an appointment on very time, and I did not have to wait a lot. So, in my opinion, in my experience, I did not have to take a lot of stress when it comes to visa appointments.
I think, yes, that is a major important part, because we met with a lot of students who wanted to take our services. They were like, ma'am, we have been waiting since a year, or maybe we are waiting since 6 months. So they're either deferring their offer letter, or they're deferring their universities, or whatever the scenario is. So that is very good that you didn't face any problem related to visa. I think visa was also, you received the visa on time, right?
Right. I received the visa on time, and it happens that people usually do not get visa. I see here students coming very late, but there is nothing to be bothered about. Maybe you come here late, but the visa appointment, if you take it by Rcare, it might be late, but it will be very legit.
So I would prefer that getting an offer letter is not so important. That entire timeline is very important, because if you have an offer letter but you do not have the visa appointment on time, or if just in case your visa get delayed, then your entire timeline has been wasted. And here the semester starts on time, right? So you have to keep in mind the entire timeline should be systematic. If it is systematic, then everything is fine. So if you have any question related to Germany, related to your applications, related to bachelors or masters, please contact us. We would be very happy to help you out. Thank you so much.